Marshall Pass. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. I was trying to find a sign to take a picture with. Yeah, let's just take the take a little bit of a hike up there. Oh. Just rolled my ankle. We just stood right there for a second. There's a parking lot right here, so we're just gonna ride down to that parking lot for some photo ops. Oh, pay attention, Brandon. There's the sign. All right. Had quite a bit of a break. Worked on getting a couple of things fixed up where it had broken. It is busy, so this apparently is the intersection between what we're doing, some other passes or trails, and the Continental Divide. Continental. All right. So unfortunately, we're going to have to change the plan and deviate from the course quite a bit. I really want to see Idaho, the northern loop of Idaho, because there is a big loop that goes up to Boise and it kind of comes back around. And after doing some reading, the northern side of that loop is where the views are. That's what's the prettiest. And I really want to see that part. Everyone says that's one of the best parts of the trip. But that means we're going to have to cut out a lot of some things. So I think what we're going to do is continue on the trail here in Colorado, because there really aren't many ways to get around these trails. You're pretty much going through the mountains. There's not like a highway around all this. There is, but we're not taking it. It's a bit longer actually. But we are going to get to Moab and Utah, and I think we're just going to cut up through the national park, Arches National Park, I think is what Jared said it was called. You know, the trail kind of goes up, makes a couple little dips back down to one, like the bottom, like southwestern side of Utah-ish, and then goes back up and touches Nevada, then comes back over above Salt Lake City, and then up into Idaho. But I think what we're going to do is just get to Moab. Instead of doing all this and going up, we're just going to go at an angle straight up to Idaho. I think we'll touch Nevada and then straight up to Boise, go right through Boise, Idaho, into, we'll kind of cut off the top edge of the loop, which all that should save us probably 3 days, 4 days, because we're running out of time and we really want to get to the Badlands. But as far as Colorado and these these trails, we don't really have much of a choice of skipping anything, so it's just pretty much getting through it. Shoot. Some just flew down into my jacket. Something flew down to my jacket. Something flew down to my jacket. Hello. All right. Let me just button the stop button. Keep all the critters out. It was so random. So we are in Lake City, Colorado. This place is really neat. The view getting down into was absolutely phenomenal. Loved it. I was trying to get all the view in the camera, and I was also looking around myself a couple times about went off the road and going off the road. But I was trying to find a campground, and the places we found were a little bit out of town, and it was kind of logistically, it would have been a hassle to try and get in there, set up camp, come back up, get some food, get back down to camp. We find ourselves in this situation constantly, but we called every place here in Lake City, and everyone's booked. But we found somewhere that had an open cabin, so we're gonna stay in a cabin, which is probably a motel. I don't know. Alright, got our cabin, about to head in, take all the stuff off, walk over to a restaurant, and call it a night. And continue working on the first episode that I still have not finished. I'm close. Just don't have enough time, and my computer's about to crash. Cool little cabin. Well, let's get everything unloaded. That's gonna do it for us today. Hope you like this episode. It's gonna be a two-part episode, which I'm sure you know by now after watching it. One's gonna be us struggling, and then the second half's gonna be all the pretty stuff. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow.